Porong cuma mga bising sa likakang buraki na VTFM. Ano ba na? Dem, sir, na kayo no?
Yeah, Robin, the weather station in Nandi, eh?
Yeah, the weather station.
Yes. Sa labi di ko na bakaro,
Yeah.
ito ang biniuda.
Oh, yeah.
Malmale, that's a very good news for us, especially mothers who will be continuing with their usual chores at home, washing maybe. Because we were experiencing rainy weather yesterday. So today we will be doing our laundry.
The captain of the LT4140 wana kinanraiva Apisay Suliano from Nakabika in Namusi.
Oh, yan Renaka.
Good morning to you and the President Plaza Samambula, to the Cofiland family. Have a blessed day, have a blessed morning, stay safe.
Eh, what are the turangan daw lubatan ulir mo no? The gentleman who unkept the mountain.
Tamalidia from Nakabika.
Nakabika
He is a mountain remover. Here, okay baka nga madaka ward puzzle tiko. Lubato ko ang mbito sandongo taray naman do mbito kendono udiway. Yeah, this one. But
lubatan ulir mo. Ayaw saranga.
Nakakoni ni bebe so ya. Alay wele tal tu kina mena buni kambi na bunor to masukin nangon.
Nakakoni luba ulir mo. Ayaw ya. Yarabina ko kibrin na sa mucho may punoli praramba. Lumana sa voto ranga tolu ta kaunro mo moduata. Bikin bagito ni bikin ni nonton kono boru takingo. Yarabina ko bikin na ligin bin karabe be hotel ni bulang isar bonua. Sa mucho mana sa separate be hotel kita sar nonton bonua ni ani mata binaka. To all the visitors from overseas who may be tuning in this morning. We say Yarabina and welcome to Ouch Palangi show. Got the broken English Fijian kind.
Right.
Na mata ka binaka ni kuwa. Lumibito pa be se burbura ni yanra ni mata binaka.
Okay, I would like to say good morning to this morning to all the mama, to all the mommy, to all the daddy, joining this morning, and also to the they are joining from 6 Mas, West Kempsey, New South Wales. This is to Nasana, Sabiakula, Andrew Lote, o Tau Aralay, and Naomi kay tinay kito, tinay Sani, thank you to the family joining this morning, and Kalabeti Rocco. Good morning to everybody.
Hospital beds, all over the country. We say to all the patients who are tuning this morning. We hope that in a few days' time, in a short time, san mbulo binakatalit, meron tumali tali na itabi sa tumengarabi. And to all the doctors and the nurses, serving the hospitals all over the country. Kita bagi kemudian dari tabim bimbi. Onin tong garabe no bug non garabe le bunua. Er to mateani ngolen en nomini tiko sa nomini episode na bibalimbula. Andi be garabe bolikina.
To all the dress, good morning. Wernan dresi. To all the good morning. Wernan dresi ni bibalimbula. Some of them they are doing for the cleanup. Wale mo bambingo to werna bibalimbula lalai.
Right. Health centers.
Right.
That's they are cleaning the compound.
Okay.
Yung sa mo tokar man tanto na binibon ni ko sa kalilay.
No. Only when I go here. Oh, yeah, nguni batawas eh.
Right.
Nguni batawas during the new year.
Right.
They were wearing me with the dress.
Okay.
How does it feel?
It feels comfortable.
Feels
not iron. And another one when Tua was still in the world. My current he was here in the world.
Ino na bale? Oi. What's it chone?
Iyo kay tinechone kay pantara makabekero kay Ben Ramulo.
Oi.
Iyo o seni rawa adi. Kila when we go there to the Lobaywiti, we know what will happen next.
Dinasara.
That's the thing we know. And especially one day, kung na andi daw ngandro.
Andi with the leader.
Elno doesn't know that andi daw ngandro. Kind of stage act, eh?
Yeah. That's the time I wear that kind in front of the hundred of people. They are watching and we are doing the andi daw ngandro.
I was watching it on live. And then I watched Miss Owendeli there.
He was the frog that time.
So ouch, eh?
And ouch was a red.
Dinasara.
Anti Calavo kay Rato Ramboto.
Dinasara. Okay, bina kami kami kadang na bito kadang boleh kita bito letak cuma isu lah nama tadi kuah.
Umbuno no lomba tu nak kecil tu.
Kita bito letak cuma isu lah nama tadi kuah. Kita letak cuma tamai pada mata ko. Nona bim bale. If you watch live this morning, if you are watching live, you can see Ndemesi wearing the 40th
anniversary
of
CFL.
the CFL company. E baru mungkin na station ko na Bit FM kina station Bit FM.
Right.
So televu Eba mi sandar tu tamayabu sama rompi bi masakin dan rebe ko chinevu. Dan chinevu laughed away.
I wake up this morning. Come.
Sakit ko no chinevu.
Without aba tu no kami without daddy.
Change your clothes. Yes.
Sama mami. I'm comfortable with ka tu no ko saru si televu. Sini match takiko. Taru si televu. So televu.
Right.
Gami yang satu.
That is something that you men should also take heed of.
I don't take heed because if anything,
because we are looking at you, your wives. Na nomuni how perfect you are, it reflects on us.
Okay.
If we are telling you, change your clothes, wear something else, that means that you have to wear something else because nakem ni rai.
That's by the look. You run for the look. I run for the comfort. You people, you women, you run for the look. As again, we run for the comfortable.
No, not for the look.
Comfortable.
Hold on, no.
Because when you go outside, the same thing, we are advising you so that people do not criticize you. Hey, look at that small boy. Big shirt.
See, after 10 o'clock, after we knock off, you catwalk in town.
Catwalk, man.
Kaya sama nga ya, if it's too big for you, nasa ba na menikah na mga kunto mulki?
Na sports bra?
Ya sports bra. Mungkin na sports bra sih. Misako sih kasi monigo.
Nutar ako sa nung gulibi. It's very hard.
Meron tagi-tagi sini.
Iya kan? And to everybody, hey, Mita Signa.
Hey, ano binaka?
Good morning.
Maraming tulong gori.
Magilis mo na ready gori.
Si Pita tawa kita wata malo and also to tinay tama na keten Romo from Lolombu.
Oh.
Hey, good morning from Lolombu.
Ori bina ko kunin na veo kadir buru bito kadir ronga tabi kita na tata kaya kasar tuko na men na non tardi bale lubatan ni sulugor tartalen dua kera menta pa muria.
Yes.
Meka kuri to tubi kada na bosa ya to binde mesa na mata di kuwa. So telebu toro si slela inge me yang odatu ya ni.
Ito to ko isa.
It's big.
Yeah, it's big. Tu no ka beta buton tara bosa tu no ka bisa to no musulu. No musa ta wango ko ya comfortable way o kango. Mata ko nalalaman ni kampanya na gubula ba naka to na kampanya.
After this we go look for one garbage bag. Kadi na rin ni udar.
Maka maletari kimami kada na nakatiki nobody is smaller like them is, so
yeah, it's comfortable when you nabi pa kadiri ni tambi kay ke nabi pa kadiri or to may namalata. Kasi sarto. Aso asin yung rin kendo na kato na komen.
Hey, bonu bina kami na veo kani na bunu veo dingo na matagri ko angona ouch palangi show.
Utang gusta kali lagi